What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I have the Pixel 6 Pro and I want to talk about MagSafe with the Pixel 6 Pro because I have something with me that I'm going to show you guys in the video where I can use something like a MagSafe wallet, like my Apple leather wallet, or I get to charge via MagSafe right here. But before I do begin, I'd really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and will help push my content out to more people. And also, just as a heads up, the app that I use for my wallpapers that you see on my smartphones is an app called Backdrops. It's available on both iOS and Android, and I'll be leaving links in the description down below. Anyway, let's get this video started. Okay, so Pixel 6 Pro, I have a case from Moment. You've probably heard of it. You've probably even heard of this case, but I ordered this case at the end of November, and it took, with all the global shortage, it took about two months and 2 weeks, somewhere around there. But here we go. We have the M-Force Pixel 6 Pro case. Here it is. It's right here, the M series M-Force, which is obviously for MagSafe, and it's looking pretty good, but let's go ahead and open it. I like this minimal look to it. So there we go. There it is. So there's the Moment case. Let's first pop this out. Don't think I'll be needing that. And looking at this Moment case right here, so it's got a really nice texture. It's got a nice good grip here. So when you're holding it, you know that this case is gonna keep your phone from slipping out of your hand. But overall, like it's got like a nice kind of silicone feel to it. I like the camera bar cut out. It looks, let's put it on actually. Let's see how it looks. Like the cutouts are just precise and perfect. So there is that. But let me just take it off real quick and talk about the inside. Inside, it looks like there's this MagSafe cutout, which I'm pretty sure there is a magnet there, obviously, that's going to stick on. And I mean, if we look at right here, it sticks perfectly with my MagSafe charger. And if we put on my Apple wallet, or I can't even speak, my Apple leather wallet, there we go. It fits perfectly, and it's pretty powerful. Like, I'm trying to pull it off and it's just not coming off real quick. So it's a pretty good magnet. And obviously I just put on the leather wallet and I can already see the ring to it, the ring of the that magnet. But the cutouts are really good and really precise, and overall it's not too bulky. And that's what I don't like about cases. When they become too bulky, just like, what's the point? You know, I personally, yes, it's going to protect the phone, a case, but I want it to be fairly slim, and it's not too bad. So let's go ahead and put on the Pixel 6 Pro into this case. And when we look at this with the case on, so let's first look at the back. Definitely, like the camera cuts, like I did say earlier, is really precise. I really do like that. And it doesn't really bring too much bulkiness, like I said. It wraps around the corners a little bit because it does have a little bit of a curved screen. So that's really good. So if you do drop it on the corners, then you won't have really any issue. The impact's going to come on the corners of the case. Obviously, if you drop it flat face down on screen, well then, good luck. I hope that never happens to us. But okay, anyway, the cutouts on the bottom right here for the USB-C charger as well, that I'm probably not going to be using anymore because duh, MagSafe, as well as the speaker grills right here. And I also like how it has the little cutout right here that I can still see this this piece right here for the speaker piece right up here. But other than that, it's looking really good. It's got the Moment logo right down here. And other than that, it's looking really sleek, really elegant. And the purpose of this is because it has MagSafe, right? I mean, it's not, it doesn't have the name of MagSafe, but it goes as MagSafe. So my Apple leather wallet, there we go. There we go. Fits perfect. Now you're going to say, why would I use an Apple leather wallet with a Pixel 6 Pro? Well, thing is, I'm recording this top down with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I use two phones. I kind of have to use two phones, but there are times like I have to go to the supermarket real quickly, or there are some cases where I don't need to bring my iPhone with me, but I still need to bring my wallet with me, and I just like having it, you know, connect with MagSafe. And I can't leave without, because like when I go out, sometimes it sits my, you know, my personal phone. I do need this with me, so kind of goes together. Pixel 6 Pro and this leather wallet. Obviously, you don't need to pick up, this is not the only MagSafe compatible wallet. There's definitely a bunch of them on Amazon. Hopefully I'm going to pick up one that's a little bit thicker, that holds more than 3 cards. That's the downside with Apple's leather case or leather wallets. They only hold three cards max, and that's not enough for me. I need at least 5. But here we go. Let's take this MagSafe charger and we just place it right there. And there we go. It's charging. So if we pull down notifications, like you can see this charging. It doesn't say charging rapidly or anything like that, but it definitely, you know, it shows that it's charging, and that's really what I was looking forward to. When I'm sitting at my desk, I can definitely just be like, hey, there we go. I'm charging my Pixel 6 Pro. If I need to take it out, there we go. And if I'm gonna watch a video horizontally, I can also charge it like that. This is just perfect. I absolutely love this. But there you have it. So if you're looking for, you know, a Pixel 6 or a 6 Pro that you have and you want MagSafe on it, well, I definitely recommend this Moment case. It is going to cost you a hefty, I believe I paid $59.99 for this, so it's going to cost you a little bit up there. The price is not, you know, it's not that 20-30 bucks that you'll see on other cases, but I think it's going to be worth it. Or you can go with cases and get just like those metal rings, but I think this is just built in so much better. Like, it's already built into the case. You have no issues whatsoever. And it's going to work with, like, if you have a MagSafe car charger, for example, that's going to work out really well as well. So there you have it. Anyway, that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video. Let everyone know that Pixel 6 Pro is MagSafe compatible if you go ahead and pick up this case. But that's really been it. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.